I'm not even kidding. Guess what her baby name's gonna be?
She'll be here by then.
Akaya. Not after me, her nanny, but still. It's kind of giving props to me though, eh?
Kia ora, kei Tūranga-nui-a-Kiwa mātou te ope iti o ka hau. Koenei hoki te wānanga ka tīpako I ngā waiata mō tā mātou nei ka hau album.
Kua roa te wā, mai tērā atua ngā wānanga I te kāna kia tuaka ki te mihi kia tātou. Ngā mihi ki te pēpi hau, kei te kōpū I tēnei wā, ana kei te kite. Kei te tipu te pāhara ke a kāhao. Nā reira, E mihi ana kia kute.
When I first found out that I was hapu, I was shocked, I was crying. I told my whānau, I let Auntie Silla know because I wasn't sure if it was going to be like a good look for our tira, just because people know us as ka hau te rangatahi. And even though I'm not really rangatahi anymore, but Auntie Silla told me that this is all Māori and something special to share with everyone.
So by the end of this weekend, we should have another taonga or a couple of taongas to consider for the compilation of our album, which will consist of about 7 tracks, chosen and selected by you, written by you.
Just throwing it out there too, like you fellas were like saying, we just want to do a hard out gospel jam. And I think te wā kei konei a Māori might be cool to start something fresh. Hey.
Wai mari e mātai Auntie Raua ko Uncle Rob. E te mea ko Raua ngā tino ahika o tēnei ropu. Ngā pākaiahi o tēnei pāhara keke ko ka hau.
Me tēnei wā kei te hanga I te tua papa me ki o Tira Waiata. Just trying to find a tune and we're just playing around at the moment, just having a jam.
So this is the rough skeleton of what we pulled together last night. Let's have a listen through.
Moments, my favourite song of the album would probably be The New Baby that was born last month.
I guess a little bit of advice for me is music is like an expression of your soul, so let it out and express it the way you want.
We're gonna do a whole choir take.
Recording our voices, it was the biggest challenge for me because I'm not used to that, and like I've never done it before, especially by myself.
So we're just revisiting, redoing and writing some more words for our coast song that we made in Auckland.
The coast song stands out to me because it talks about everywhere on the coast. Well, most places on the coast.
We're just gonna fucking record, fucking do up. So we're stopping, hold up, it's just a warning. We're changing that. Cruising down Highway 35.
So we pretty much picked our final 7 songs. We had about like 9 or 10 that we've written so far. But we picked them last night and figured out what we need to work on for each one.
I roto I ngā kupu katoa, I roto I taku vocabulary, dictionary, mai I tēnei wānanga. The one word I'm taking away with me today is whakawhetau.